Hello all, welcome to EduBridge India Private Limited. I am Kiran Shetty, Training Excellence Manager at the TechBU. Today we have a Kunal Ganguly with us. He has completed a Capgemini Certified Software Developer course from the Bangalore Center. Today he is here to share his training experience with us. So welcome to Kunal in the EduBridge.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon. So Kunal, let us know about your educational background and your family background.
Yes, sir. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering in 2019, especially in IT, and my parents are farmer, so I was looking for more opportunities after that, and here I am.
Okay, good. So Kunal, my next question, how did you came to know about EduBridge?
Actually, sir, I was applying for jobs, and so whenever I try to see the job description, there was specially mention about Java. Java skill was always there in job description. So I tried to search for uh, classes and training institute for that particular skill, and I got to know about EduBridge.
Okay, good. Means you search from the online platform.
Yes, sir. I
Yeah,
was
good.
researching about that, and then I got to know about this
Very good.
platform.
Very good. So Kunal, how do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
So main concern in learning is self discipline and accountability. So as already we know that due to pandemic everyone was at home. So main concern was I tried to learn by many self-paced course online, but due to this, I always start course but didn't finish. So main concern was self-discipline and someone to hold accountable for me to complete that course. So that was missing, and in EduBridge that was fulfilled, and due to the attendance system and every course was live, so there was no another shortcut for just complete the course online. And so due to that uh, attendance system and live system, I was able to sit 4 hours daily and over the these 4 months and completed the course.
Oh, very good. This is really nice to hear from you. Only because of the attendance and the live session, you
Yes,
were
sir.
able to attend the class continuously for 4 hours. Very good. So my next question is, which part of the course did you find most interesting?
So most interesting part was domain knowledge, domain part, and most credit goes to Anand sir. So it was very excited to work on coding and code and programs. So that was interesting part of this course.
Okay, good, good. So how do you find our learn by yourself module?
So those were quite interesting. I mean, for all the knowledge you couldn't give live, so that was additional courses provided by Jubris, so like HTML and CSS and all others domain like AI or cyber security also were there. So that was quite beneficial for to having additional knowledge. IT field is always updated, and so that was beneficial.
Okay, okay, good. So any suggestion for us to make your overall training experience even better?
Actually, sir, everything is good, but I will just suggest a small uh, suggestion. Like we used to get assignments for a particular domain, like knowledge assessment, aptitude assessment, communication assessment, and domain assessment. So I would like to get this assessment in equally distributed time. So for every assessment we will get. I mean, student will get equally time for that.
Okay, okay. You mean you want equal time for each and every assessment?
Yes, yes, yes. I mean,
Okay, definitely, Kunal. We will work on that, and I will try my level best to improve
yes,
in
sir.
this parameter.
Yes.
Okay, Kunal, so my last question is, would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friend and relatives?
Yes, sir, of course. And actually, I have already recommended a certified course for many friends who have passed out in 2020 for uh, skill programs.
Okay, good. So Kunal, one of last question from my side.
Yes,
As
sir.
you are already been placed in one of the organization, and I can see the happiness on your face.
Yes, sir.
So would you like to share your experience with us with your new organization? How it is? What is your salary? What is your job timing?
Yes, sir. Actually, I got placed as a training engineer. Package is 2.2 initially, and it will be revised after the training and probation period. So, and right now I'm working in RPA and Java domain. So basically, most interesting thing is that I was in last stage of training period, and at that time I gave interview. So it was quite easy to crack the interview. So right now, and I got the domain of RPA plus it is built on Java, so it is quite easier for me to work on that field. So I'm very happy and excited.
Okay,
And
good, good. Yes, Kunal, I can see the happiness.
all credit goes to EduBridge mostly, and Capgemini also for providing me financial support for this course. And once again, thanks to Anand sir, every faculty member, Raj sir, Prince Raj sir, Raja Rajan sir,
Good.
and Jain sir also,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
like backend team. Every time we used to get any error or any problem, so they always solved our problem. So thanks to them also.
Yes, yes, yes. This is especially thanks to backend team, those who indirectly support you to complete your course and get the job.
Yes, sir. Without them,
Yeah.
platform wouldn't be working.
Yes,
And
yes, definitely. Without their support, it is quite difficult.
yes, sir.
Thank you, Kunal. Thanks for taking out time to share your experience with us. I wish a good luck for your bright future and wish
Yes,
you, on the behalf of EduBridge, all the best for you. Thank
yes,
you.
sir. Thank you very much, sir.